Every single time I try to show my dog being cutie, as soon as I point the camera at him, he stops. So it's a mission. The more, that's my mom's dog, the more I watch YouTube, I've got time and data now and stuff, the more confused I get. Like, what's true, like it's a lot of shit, like this politics, yo, man. Like I watch some of that people in the, represent, like for the US, like speakers and stuff. I mean, that people are stripping, they're trashed on freaking cocaine or something, and I don't get that. Like, who the hell, like, I know drugs, and who the hell does, like, in America, cocaine? The rich people, I mean, the drugs is made by the Americans, which is crystal meth. They're all on meth, It's not Colombia or whatever. I watched this thing like where, like in their Senate or whatever, and I like Americans. I've got no issues with them, People need to get rid of governments. They're fucking evil and poison. Politics is poison. So, it's a muggy. We call it a miggy. A miggy. Any case, I watched this thing in the US Senate or whatever, and they state South Africa is their enemy, Because what? I explained all of that. Nobody gives a shit in any case. It's like super fascinating. This, I'm not gonna go into that. It's just something I saw. I just don't get what is their fascination with us, like this refugee thing. Like, what makes us what we are is the fact that we stick to our country, and we have all this time, through everything, you know. And I mean, what are you going to get? Like, if this people that takes this refugee thing is all the freaking sellouts and stuff, I mean, we work our blood runs in the soil. We work as a team, like nothing here operates. I work on my own, but everything operates black and white. We go together. We can't do the one thing, and that's why everything is such a mess on a government level. Like people that's got abilities that's more suited for something should get the work, and do it for the country, So, people treat you like freaking, you support people and they treat you like a alien, like you, because your head works different, And then they all claim like they're the same freaking thing, but they're not. So, I mean, you can't blatantly like take another country's president, like kidnap him, and then siege their assets and stuff, and then sell it as like it belongs to you, because it doesn't belong to you. I watch a lot of Fox News. I like Fox News. I like that Gutfield guy. I like his comedy and stuff, or his sense of humor. And I read like the comments and like the American, and I check that like people that comment. It's not bots, that's like legit people, and they're not happy. I mean, whatever is that video is, it's like that everything is owned by all those rich idiots and bloody imperialism, Africa should stick to Africa and join up. We don't need to export shit to other people or anything. We must just look after Africa, you know? So, that's just my opinion. I mean, and then it's like, the sanctions thing, like that oil tankers that's being seized. Like the first thing is like, like they brag with this naval blockade, and how does a freaking rust bucket oil tanker like invade your whole blockade and like chase it for 2 weeks? Why should anybody adhere to any sanctions? Whose law is that? Like when my mom like lost all her savings and stuff on stock market bullshit, like where does it go? You know? Mm-mm. I'm good at that. I can see shit when I see shit. Like I watch this one channel, and the way the channel like it's supposedly like this some guy that's doing an analysis and stuff like, and he claimed that Brazil closed its ports to the US. And I know Brazil is part of BRICS, and I went and checked that that's not true. But you can hear it like it doesn't say 350. It's like very good. It's AI, like it says 35. Who the. You can't trust anything you see. And nobody is interested in the truth or real people or the fact that you use your real name and you're legit. Nobody cares about that. Like if you ask the common South African, the people that voted for the ANC, like what is Venezuela? Like nobody will know, you know? Or what is communism? Or what is. They vote for the ANC because that's what they always do. This blind trust and just over and over and over. Okay, I'm done pitching. Have a nice day.